Hi guys, just a couple of radio control cars. They're actually my grandsons. They've been brought to me to check over. They just needed new batteries, nothing wrong with them. Except that one's missing the tyre. I remember this one came from Poundland. It was more than £1, but that's where it came from. And I don't think it had those sparkly bits on it when we bought it. This is one of those spinner type things. B&M, another one of the cheap shops, B&M bargains. Both 27 megahertz, so both controllers control both of them. Yeah, see the steering work on that one, and at the same time on that one. So, is there anything I can do with one hand, or shall I put the camera down? Let's put the camera down. Yeah, so they're both working, both 27 megahertz, so no good if you want to race against each other with them, which is one of the problems when you buy them in the shops. They quite often are all the same frequency. Still, happy there, nothing wrong with them, they can go back.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.